Okay, we're back. I got this all cooled down. I went in and blasted this some more on the back side, got more of the chrome off, and you can see how it's all bent a little bit. Flexy. I gotta work on this a little bit also. So first we get this apart. So the diaphragm's actually behind it. It's supposed to be raw metal, but you can obviously see it was painted. And then this here is your outer diaphragm piece. I forget what they call this thing, but it's galvanized. So keep it from rusting. These are supposed to be bare metal. Civilian homes, they are raw metal. That's why they're always eaten up. But obviously this one you can see was painted OD completely. So I'll take this cover off, and all these three parts should just come right apart. No problem. Sounds like they're shooting fireworks off outside again. Summer nights in San Diego, SeaWorld is always shooting off fireworks. And they got the stupid ball game too, they do it. Okay, so these now are all unfrozen. Melted the rust off of them. So I'm going to take these off with my fingers now. And we didn't damage the nut any too, it still works. Key part is they didn't round out the part that matters, which is probably the outer retaining ring is what has the squares in it. That's the part that's on the top. I thought there was a lock washer in these, but some do, some don't. Probably been into it before, obviously. Supposed to have a lock washer in the nut. That was the corrosions right there. Yep, got through it too. Got a little bit of work getting over that one. Okay. That thing doesn't know when I come out of there. It's rusty in there good. So you can see the retainer has little square holes in it. So if you round them out, this gets bad. The diaphragm comes out nice and rusty because it's not plated on the inside. And there's the inner workings of the horn. And see, you got the rust falling off there. That's not a good sign. The problem is if you get blast the insulation off the wiring or off of the coil, those windings in there, it's just varnish, you're done. So what I'm going to try to do is blast the outer perimeter here lightly, and then every time I try blasting this area I screw it up, so I need to kind of refrain from doing that. And I'm going to try to hit the top of this right here, the magnetic part. I'll hit it at an angle and see if I can blast that clean there, but it could be really, really touchy. See if I don't screw it up. Because I've screwed these up before. That's how you learn. And I'll go ahead and blast this too. Probably leave this outside good, just do the inside. And I got the retainer to do. Alright, we'll be back.